Okay, in this video, I am going to show you how to log into Think Central. Now remember, you are already signed into your Google account, so it will be easier. So you click on Student Portal. You go to Student Portal. On the left, you click on Online Elementary Textbooks. Once you are here, it takes you to Math Expressions. Think Central Math Expressions. Click. Once you are here, you need to sign in with Google. So you find your name. I am Mrs. Oseguera, so I click my name. Once you are here, it takes you to this screen. There's my library, my scores, things to do. Click on things to do. Once you click on things to do, you see your assignments. You click on first grade end of year. You click. So go ahead and click. When you click it, it takes you again. First grade end of year. Click again. When you click, it takes you to this page. There's going to be arrows. You're going to see click, save and close, and turn in. Today, you are going to do some problems and then click save and close. So click go to test, and then it takes you to this page right here. Here is question 1. There's a lot of words. If you don't understand, you read it. You click on the microphone and it reads it for you. So you see the apples. Once you choose your answer, A, B, C, or D, you choose it. Then you click next. You keep working until you answer finish up to question 10. You click next, you click next, you click next, you click next, you click next. When you find a little box here, you click on it, and that's where you put the number that goes. You click next, and you click next. When you finish question 10, you click save and close. So go ahead and click it. Then it takes you to this one, and all you have to do is click the X on Think Central, and you are done.